इसमें प्रैक्टिस के लिए आपको क्वेश्चन सुनाई देगा और राइट योर आंसर, जब आंसर आएगा तो उसमें बोला जाएगा राइट योर आंसर। उसके पहले आप क्या करेंगे, ऐसे एक पेज लेंगे और अपने 28 नंबर्स डाल लेंगे। ठीक है, जैसे क्वेश्चन सुनाई देता है आपको और वहां बोला जाएगा राइट योर आंसर, तो आप अपना राइट आंसर यहां पे लिख लेंगे। ठीक है, फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा, तो आप अपने सारे आंसर लिख लीजिए और लास्ट में आपको आंसर भी सुनाए जाएंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आंसर, इस अपने आंसर मिला लीजिए। यदि आपके सही आंसर, सारे आंसर सही हैं, वेल डन, नहीं तो दोबारा प्रैक्टिस करें।
Level 1, page number 12, slow speed. Answers in the end. Start. Question number 1, start. 4, 50, 6. Answer is right. Your answer next. Question number 2, start. 59, 6, 4, 17, 9. Answer is right. Your answer next. Question number 3, start. 6, 3, 6. Answer is right. Your answer next. Question number 4, start. 59, 16, 13, 7, -65. Answer is right. Your answer next. Question number 5, start. 19, 6, 4. Answer is right. Your answer next. Question number 6, start. 99, -25. 6, 6, -66. Answer is right. Your answer next. Question number 7, start. 14, 6, 6. Answer is right. Your answer next. Question number 8, start. 54, 6, 9, 8, 9. Answer is right. Your answer next. Question number 9, start. 99, -25. 6. Answer is right. Your answer next. Question number 10, start. 69, 6, 2, 8, -65. Answer is right. Your answer next. Question number 11, start. 4, 10, 6. Answer is right. Your answer next. Question number 12, start. 28, 1, 6, 2, 9. Answer is right. Your answer next. Question number 13, start. 54, 6, 9. Answer is right. Your answer next. Question number 14, start. 14, 16, 9, 6, minus 25. Answer is right. Your answer next. Question number 15. Start. 13, 1, 6. Answer is right. Your answer next. Question number 16. Start. 68, 11, 6, 4, 6. Answer is right. Your answer next. Question number 17. Start. 64, 6, minus 20. Answer is right. Your answer next. Question number 18. Start. 34, 6, 9, minus 25. 16. Answer is right. Your answer next. Question number 19. Start. 12, 2, 6. Answer is right. Your answer next. Question number 20. Start. 19, 6, 4, 6. 11. Answer is right. Your answer next. Question number 21. Start. 24, 6, 8. Answer is right. Your answer next. Question number 22. Start. 6, 9, 4, 6, 4. Answer is right. Your answer next. Question number 23. Start. 7, 2, 6. Answer is right. Your answer next. Question number 24. Start. 64, 16, 7, 8. Minus 65. Answer is right. Your answer next. Question number 25. Start. 4, 6, 9. Answer is right. Your answer next. Question number 26. Start. 69, 6, 13, 7. Minus 65. Answer is right. Your answer next. Question number 27. Start. 11, 3, 6. Answer is right. Your answer next. Question number 28. Start. 28, 1, 6. Minus 25. 66. Answer is right. Your answer next. Please check your answers. Start. Question number 1. Start. Answer is 60 next. Question number 2 start. Answer is 95 next. Question number 3 start. Answer is 15 next. Question number 4 start. Answer is 30 next. Question number 5 start. Answer is 29 next. Question number 6 start. Answer is 20 next. Question number 7 start. Answer is 26 next. Question number 8 start. Answer is 86 next. Question number 9 start. Answer is 80 next. Question number 10 start. Answer is 20 next. Question number 11 start. Answer is 20 next. Question number 12 start. Answer is 46 next. Question number 13 start. Question number 14 start. Answer is 20 next. Question number 15 start. Answer is 20 next. Question number 16 start. Answer is 95 next. Question number 17 start. Answer is 50 next. Question number 18 start. Answer is 40 next. Question number 19 start. Answer is 20 next. Question number 20 start. Answer is 46 next. Question number 21 start. Answer is 38 next. Question number 22 start. Answer is 29 next. Question number 23 start. Answer is 15 next. Question number 24 start. Answer is 30 next. Question number 25 start. Answer is 19 next. Question number 26 start. Answer is 30 next. Question number 27 start. Answer is 20 next. Question number 28 start. Answer is 76. Thank you.